Welcome back. Now, if you take a look at this here, it's a little off center. The reason is you just have to type in the word auto here, and that way it will go and do that here. Now, there's a bit of a problem. Now, I'm just going to maximize this, and you should be able to see this here. You can see here that this temp logo, this color doesn't really work. Okay, so what can we do about that? Well, we can change the color, or we can add in something else here where we can go and, for example, add in a stroke. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So hop into our logo header 1 here, and we're going to call this web kit, and it's going to say text, and this, by the way, is only going to work on Google Chrome. Stroke, and then width, and then we're going to say that it's 3 pixels to start off with. Okay, we're also going to do web kit, text, stroke, and we're going to do color, and we're going to just do red for now, but you have to actually make that work. So of course we're not going to be using red. I just want to show you what it does. So it kind of outlines the text. Now, why would we do this? Well, let's go ahead and let's put it as white, and you can kind of see it a little bit better now, can't you? You can kind of see that just like that here. Okay, let's hop back into the CSS here. Let's use, instead of a white, we're going to use an RGBA, and we're going to use that 250, 250, 250, and then 1.0. So it's pretty much the same thing here. But you can actually play around with the opacity of this. You can say, 1.5, and it kind of looks a little odd, but adding in just that one little bit of 0.1 makes the text kind of pop out just a bit. So it's good. It's whatever you want to do here. So let's play around with it. We got 0.5 here, and I'll move that back down. So we can got 0.5, and we have 0.9. We also have 0.1, and we have 0.05. And that's a bit too small here. But 0.1, 0.2, those actually make it work out quite well. So, and if we get rid of that altogether, right? So we can just get rid of these 2 lines here. You can see how by adding those 2 lines, it just adds that little bit of pop to the text here, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, we can even add this into the header 2 text here, and you can see that that adds in a little bit of pop as well. So that is a very interesting way, and I'm just going to undo this here and maximize it. That's a very interesting way of making your text pop, and you can see it does indeed make the text pop a little bit more. This concludes the tutorial.